Alright, my peep, good evening, no say Elderbigz there again in the evening, my peep. Long time I make no video because Elderbigz actually opening cook shop. So I don't know anything go. Then I take up my time, but I don't know me now left out the channel, so there for my people them again, but I watch what go on in the evening, my people. Alright, my peep, we have some fish in the sink. See it, my peep? Come on, we have some fish, see them, So them call them fisher. We call them mixed fish, my people, alright? But it's kind of fish like a turbot. All who know turbot know what I talk about. Them fish are kind of come like turbot. So them have a skin, them can't scrape. Alright, so now get along and what I make me start skin one. Alright, my peeps, so you see it? As I say, them call them fisher mixed fish. So I take a good look on the people. Come like a turbot. Come like a turbot. Say it off his skin because it can't scrape. Alright, $10 roll. So Elderbigz there and I Sunday, so when they really good pan skin in a fish, you know, but I see them and I like them, so forget if you eat, I go try and deal with it. Alright, my peep. So I'm showing up part title, I see if I can take my time and deal with him because skin tough like a rock stone. I best me thought from the part anyway. Hold on, my peep. Alright, so alright, see me I get on and skin now, peep. Come like killing a goat. I have to skin the goat. Yeah, so them fish are gonna look like. You see it, my peep? Yeah, some other stuff will go on and everything will come out. I know some nice fish them still. First, me I go cook the one here, but people cook it already, so they invite me to eat, so I say me I go try it. Alright. I want to see I want big old if I want in people. Look how big. See the head there? Look at that. Big old one, my people. And the rest of them in the sink. See it, my people, so. You see it? Take down my skin him off. I'm going to curry him up with some cornmeal. See it, my peep? Cornmeal, you might eat with it on Sunday evening, my peeps. Yeah. So, take time and deal with it in case. Some other stuff is going on as I say my people. So when you see them things people, you say you can't do it, you have to just try because you see it. At the first me I do it and I take time and go along. Alright. Now go come out perfect. But you can cook and eat when you're done. And it's you see it, it's full of flesh. Yes, my peeps, so that's why people kinda love them. Them full of flesh. Full of flesh, oh. I don't want to skin off too much of this. Oh, see how many customers I put going on the gravy, that me I tell you now. That's what my babe. Yeah, you see that. Alright, my people, you know see it? Take off one side and we still have the flesh. Actually, them come gut already too. So I don't have that for deal with. You see it? I just have to clean out. Yeah, them little bit of stuff there. Alright, my peep. Alright, my peep. So the fish don't touch down to you now. You want. So this is the big one I'm going to show you, see it? Yeah. Pure flesh in the people, see it? Yeah, this is touch down to one in skin. Alright, so I did that. Elderbigz. Soon season them up. In the meantime, I have some cooked peas, because I'm telling you, we work in a restaurant or a cook shop or no one call it. Yes, Elderbigz business place up and running, alright, my people. So I cook lunch at the time and them thing there, so we have some leftover peas. So I'm going to use it with the cornmeal. Alright, so I leave them garlic to season it up. Let me feel so. Thyme, scallion, and garlic and pepper. Alright, my feel. That are going at the cornmeal with some grease coconut milk powder. Alright. So wrap up to the pot. Running the coconut milk powder. Running lots of salt. And cooking oil. Dash in some pimento. Maggi seasoning. Dinner this in my babe. Cornmeal and some curry fish me at the right. As I say, cook shop up and running. So every day I cook rice and peas, alright? So I know so this is Sunday or some tuna and you see that water ready. All the seasoning up and ready for cornmeal. Nice already. Alright peeps, so piece of butter that. You wanna look for that how long, you know, so see it there. This one Elderbigz have everything. everything there. Right, so we cornmeal. You see the butter? I want it melt out. Remember, I know people telling you, so I live on roadside, so if you hear some loud vehicle in the background, you don't know a thing go, alright? Yeah, my yard there, I want roadside. Taxi pass every minute, every second. So taxi pass every minute and every second, my peeps. So I don't know a thing go. Alright, so I go run in it. Come here, you know. Peep. Pumpkin, me peeps. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. So I don't know if this stuff for the garden, you see it? Yeah, resting this up for the time being. Nice pumpkin, me peeps. So seasoning, my peep. Season them, alright, so I see that garlic and pepper and scallion and thyme cut up already, my people. Alright, that's what I did too, you know. So the fish them know as I made a show, no? Feed them time, you know. You understand, my people? So, we have a run through here now. Cut up some seasoning, alright? So first, I'm going to start with the sweet pepper. Knife and I give me the vibe. Let's try out the one, huh? Alright. Open my knife, man. Cut it sharp. Take some of those, bust them up and remove the maker. Simple. Step out the maker over tight. The sharpen. Press them over this one. Run with the Irish. Some people, the fish them have to curry them up. So my peeps, me have pumpkin, me have carrot, Irish sweet potato. Alright my peeps, so ready with the fish them and no. This are some mixed season my people, chicken spice, jerk season to the bone, all type of season. Mix up my people. Alright, so these are the Maggi. Alright. Alright my peeps, so fish them ready, so we go up at the aisle. Alright, well active, you know people. See that? Curry that are running. We use 2 pack of curry. Stir the curry make it burn. Just like that. So we have some ginger right there, so some thyme, some garlic, and scallion and pepper mix up, alright, and the sweet pepper. So I know so I cook up the seasoning first. Right. So in this one we have the Irish, the carrot and the pumpkin and the onion. Alright, let's see what I want. So we have cook up the seasoning. Right. Take the time and stir them up. Why I use a broad pot because the fish them in want them mash up. Cook them up. Right. Stir it up in your curry. Okay. Okay. So now pour some water in it. Little bit more. Alright. So you know that now. For a little bit of salt. 1, 2. Alright. Still now don't let me people me forward back. I just drop a few grain of pimento on it. Alright. So that's pimento seed. Yes, you people. Look at the pimento seed. And the one here, the pimento powder. Pimento powder, right? Watch carefully, you know, people. That's pimento powder. It's actually come from the seed, but the seed not grind up. So when the seed grind up, now you get the powder. Alright. So we're gonna make that boil up and cook out them Irish and them carrot. Alright, my peep. Alright, my peeps. Thing cook up and do. So Elderbigz are run through. Check out some of the seasoning, alright. See how I did it. But I'm telling you some of the roadside people, so more some nice in the background and interrupt my video. I can't go out there go beat the people and so. They're gonna be with me, I understand. Right, so actually I would like me to cut me say some, but anyway. So the fish them know my people. I'm gonna set them in. Right? Just like that. I don't know upside down. Nobody my father hungry, me hungry. Nobody laugh at me, baby. There you go when you have work to do. I just left the one in the middle, alright? Yeah, so. The fish done now. In there. So me I gonna run back the seasoning them funny, that's why I take them out. So now look. See, I'm gonna put the mango another one at this time, okay? Come on, man. What's wrong with you? So I have some. Okra. We're running in the feet. Okra from my farm. Get me peep. Still not done nothing up here. There. So we have our Grace fish flavored soup mix. So I'm gonna see fish over there so and it can go in a fish tea as what we call soup. Right, so I'm going to run in some pan this now. Make it simmer down. Yep. Run in some pan. Yeah. Simmer down with it. Right. So the season them that. Some more juice in it, some water. So actually I got on juice. So you know so the gravy are the juice. Alright. So see it my people. Still not finished. You know I'm not supposed to sell that, got a way I go for again and now. Don't just look now. Don't just look my people. Always see what the exact come with. I want to be just look maybe. I'm not sure what the chef has come with. But just look maybe. I'm not sure what the chef has come with. See what the chef has come with there. It's the time. Scaling. Alright. Up here. I'm gonna hit me away from an open hit. Take them and rocket. So me telling us our roadside my little people here want nice bug pass. Yeah man, I say chop come on. I don't really want this one top, I want to hit this one. Alright me peep. A big dinner ready. Who wants some of my dinner? You want nice bug come again. So I say I can't left me I go beat them up. Elderbigz all go to jail. People them now on roadside me live. Right my peeps, so that's my ton cornmeal with the red peas. Right? Right, so over this fish part I know the curry fish. So let's see it my peep. Curry fish, curry fish. Yes, curry fish. Oh. Good. You got me all kind of people. Yes, man. I see it, my pip. Yes, right. Yes. Alright, so that's why I share the fish. Spatula. So all who know can try it out. Right? So didn't know the spatula. I'm gonna run some gravy and a little bit over my cornmeal. peeps, I'm see the food. Oh boy, I'm so tired. So tired, people. Work. Here we got a fork. And I'm gonna get my glass. People, honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you now. You see this? This is a big Joe. Full punch. Or I call it tropical twist. But strawberry. Yes, strawberry banana. It's a mixed flavor juice, but 100% vitamin C, them say. Alright, so what I say, I'm gonna be honest with you now, my people. Supposed to blend a pine with some ginger, but honestly, I'm not telling you no lie. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So I'm gonna get to deal with that, my people. So other the Elderbigz are gonna deal with that. Alright, so we done see what I go on, my people. In the kitchen, so I don't know. Now my apron, so you need to take it off, cause I don't know. Oh Lord Jesus, I'm so tired. I'm at work, I'm on, you know, my people. I have to get up on the work, cause I'm telling you the cook shop up and running. So the reason why when I get to see me I should out no video from more here, I have to ready the lunch before 11:30. You understand? Because I have some order more while, so I have to ready lunch before 11:30. And you know, if you cook on video, it take up time because I don't have a camera. It's actually a phone I use. I have to beg somebody to hold the phone and move with me. You understand? So, and that's the thing with me now about such video. If I have a camera and I know, so I could have set it in the direction of me at work and just keep going. But I don't know, one step by step, I gotta reach up there. You understand? So, this is it, my people. Done cornmeal with red peas and curry fish. This time I'm gonna put no mango in it, alright? I may have some nice juice, I'm gonna drink some because I'm a little thirsty. Oh Lord. I want to know that I'm full of milk sugar about them vitamins. Anyway, my people, this is the thing now. Because I get a message in my inbox. And I think it's really important, you know. Yeah. Like somebody want to know about me. This person is in the UK. So she actually want me to share my livity or my background, where you call it, with the world. I never go say with the people, with the world. Because the world follow YouTube. I don't know who see the channel yet, but I know so 1 and 2 people out there I see the channel. Alright, so tell you now look about me. Because I whole past story. Alright, so how I get full of me, I talk about the cooking. Right, so how I get full of cooking, my people. I cook from 12 year old, right? So my family them can cook real good. But I like when I mean real good, I mean real good. Alright, especially my grandfather. My mother can cook, you know, but I have to get it from the elder one them. You understand? So my grandfather can cook really good. He's a butcher, he's a farmer. So I take them things that I find. You understand? So I find out myself one day I cook fish and white rice in my grandfather's garden. Actually I catch the fish out of the thing what them call gully or canal or what them want to call it. Yeah. Because I come from a poor background with the family them not really have it the way that them not up there. You understand? So I take up my local fish line and I go through and get 2 fish. I know so my mother have some rice in the kitchen. Things that if you cook, you know, my people, don't get me wrong, you know, but I just unroll and say I want to cook my food because of that me want. Alright, so I run to the kitchen, teeth out some rice because I ask her, so teeth me teeth it, right, at the age of 12. So I turn over to my grandfather's garden, which is the same garden now want to see me put up on my channel. Alright, so the same garden that want to see me put up on my channel, my people. In there, so I make up some wood fire and cook the curry fish and white rice. So remember the people, I tell you a story about me. Anyway, I go to boom and I take some to my mother. You understand? Bring some to my mother. and two of the food look nice. She said, you make sure you give me the part of it. She called me Finey, that is my pet name. So my pet name I find my people. And my real name is Chevy Simeon Green. Right? Chevy Simeon Green. But my mother called me Finey because when I was small, when I was a baby I should say I was very small. And fast on foot. Can't run left me. I know touch. You don't see me big so. You don't want to bet me. You don't want to bet me. If you don't want to see me run, man, you just send me some money and you see me run. Anybody who wants to see me run, just send me some money because I don't run for free. I have to jinx it when I done and they think me a fool. You must be mad. Anyway, back to the story now. So, bring the food to my mother. When I bring the food to my mother, she has said, where you get the food from I bring it to? So, mommy, you know, so I mean cook the food though. You know, my mother get up off of the bed because she lie down and watch TV. She get up off of the bed and I say, hey boy. She don't cuss my bad word, you know, get me wrong. She said, hey boy, because my mother rough, you know. And she fought too. She said, hey boy, let me tell you something. One time I tell her, say you don't have to tell me no lie. I did that, I not chimble, because I know if your style already. You understand? I know if your style, so. She asked me again, where you get the food from? I said, mommy, and me cook the food. And I go gully go catch fish. And I come tea for the rice. And cook. You understand? So me bring her some food, my mother, with some sugar and water, because I not even lime when I have to put it in. Because I'm a ghetto youth, so I don't know the thing go. So I just mix up some sugar and water and bring some and make sure so my mother get before me even start to eat my one, alright? So she checked me if you mash me up because she has a lie me I tell. You understand me, peep? So we just show no the levity and part of the thing go. Anyway, how she actually get to believe me now, I have to carry her in my grandfather's garden. And she see the pot them. And she start, you burn up me pot them pan wood fire. I mean I say, mommy, don't worry yourself, me go and scour them back off. Don't worry. Alright. But next time you have to make me know because you could have burned down your whole garden. I say, me nah, but you know my mother do you right. But you know when pick me and roll me people, especially should I say Jamaican or overseas? Hello, everybody unroll. Everybody have something going on from when they're young, from them to learn how now. Yes. So and that's how the things start from the people until today. So these are you know me actually go out on the road them more while the party them there. Fling out and look a jerk jump, boil some soup and put the thing out there, you understand? But really and truly from them time them should not think about YouTube, but me never have no Android phone and no thing like them. I use 3310 and Siemens and all them type of phone where they want to call them banger phone, you understand me people? Yes, so now I come in a picture and I start no about YouTube and WhatsApp and Google this and Google that. Because right now if you want to make a complaint, you ask Google. They might show you all one of the parts. You understand? So I cook from me at 12 and now me at 28 my people. I born April the 4th, 1992, so you can check it. You understand? Yeah. So me at 28 years old and I live I come from all over overseas and I tell them my address. You understand? I don't know if I should do it, but I tell them I'm no business because I don't want it, man. You understand? So when I call it, say I come from Jamaica, Clarendon, Maypen. You understand? So that's where I come from. So my hometown now is Maypen. So I just go up on Google, I don't know GPS and type in Maypen, I don't know we say my hometown. So that's where I come from. So for anybody want to link me for any bookings, any party, I can do my thing, you know. I know better me out there, but I not talk about them, I talk about me. You understand? I talk about myself. So you can link me and I come boodle up some food. Get a man style. Boodle up. Mean run it. You understand? So that's a little story about me because my food I get all cold in my people. I swear so if you don't want no more story you can link me in my inbox. I not lie. I'm glad for you share my story, but boy, I don't love any food cold at all, kinda nice. So you don't know anything go. Turn cornmeal. And the fish. So when I see it, my people say I never did a lie. Look on the fish. So it's fleshy. I just one thing with it, you can't scrape, you have to skin it. So I guess the fish is like It and grunt. Not grunt, sorry, turbot. A family. Yeah. We have some Jamaican fish all overseas matter. Jamaican fish. Them have all type of names. So you have some turbot, you have doctor, you have wenchman, you have sniper, you have parrot, you have pot cover butterfish. Fish are those pea fish and fish pan top of fish. You understand? But when I talk about them type of fish, I talk about this a fish. Alright, my peeps, so me I go hit me fish. Alright? I'm gonna chase my cornmeal again. I see this? A pumpkin that, you know. And a carrot that, you know. I wanna say Elderbigz boss, you know, true. Well, people, I'm not rich, as I say. But you have to eat and drink the best you can, because that's all we ever live for. No matter how much things you have, people, when you die you can take anything with you. I mean, so if you have no bank book and go dry out and me have it, I mean so. You understand? Because you have some people, lad, you know what's that dream at that? Fruit go jar down you $1 million on me have, and tomorrow you're hungry and kill you. Me no mean so. Yes, me peeps, so we done it my food and as you can see, plate gone and the glass still there do. But the plate gone in a wash, so. We there, so I'm ready back now. Alright, my peeps, so you gonna start back from what me say. We have to eat and drink the best we can, you understand me peeps, so you don't know the thing to go. You eat and drink the best that you can. You understand? That means if you don't have no money, you have to spend it and buy good food and good fruits and make no juice and eat right and drink right to keep your body up till Father God ready for it. You understand me, because that's why I say that's all we have to live for. Because if you have 3,000 house out there and 10 million car over there, so and 100 bikini around there, so I think me bikini then can't come with no day. You understand me, people? Me talk about everybody. Me talk about this special, whether yard or brother, yard. You understand? So as I say about the phone thing, the banger phone thing, we never know nothing about no YouTube business. You understand? Because we come from a poor variety, so we don't know nothing about no technology, no laptop, and no tablet and them business. You understand? One of the picnic I go to school and I use Razor and Blazer phone, and flip phone. We have a 3310 banger phone, Samsung. You understand? So little peanut phone, Motorola. You understand? Me know no phone all off because I know so I throw me a talk. Me born 1992, so me know a little about what I go along. Me born can spend Jamaican $10 and $20 in a paper. You understand? 10 cent Bulla JU van and lad and buggy and type of vehicle. You understand me, peeps? So yes, so anyway, you know, boom, one day you shall go up on YouTube from about, I got to no lie, but since we start work my own money and start buy them little Android phone, yeah, and start go out there and you know, get little ping and them little business there and text people and text girl and all them things. And YouTube come in and go this and go that. You understand? So you just go up on the YouTube or watch music video, watch news and them thing there. And see what going on in the world. Other people out there say they like myself. We attack them story, me take them in. Just like Rasmoko. You understand, in a Port Maria. Yeah, I guess that's the same come from. And Sunrise Boss, him have a channel said we, YouTube. Him and Rasmoko. You understand me, peeps? So one day me I roll through YouTube and buck up on this Rastaman. Me see one Rastaman done nice pot of soup put up with some writing panning thing. So me I say, soup look nice, man. And Royce is a Rasta. I tell thing I go on there, you know. So me say, alright, run go up on the page and see what I go on and see pot of wood fire and pot of bubble. Me I say, yes, Jah. What you mean Rasta? Hold them. But a Rasta come here attack. Anyway, I don't really have no link to them, you understand? I don't want them things that I use fame for them things to push my thing, because you know you have some people still. Although I don't think them are them type of people. But you know you have some Jamaican them bad mind. Although anywhere in the world you go, you have bad mind, you understand? But I just have to talk the truth because of them me see with them video I do them thing, them cooking channel, until me tell myself, so yo, you know me I go try a thing like this. Yes man. And put me cooking and my taste and everything out there. But the people them run into the thing because you don't know. As I say, me I get a youth, so I grow up in a rich variety, you know, man, no ball in no gold spoon. So I want to be famous. If me even I go rich, I want to know say, yo man, famous. And how I get a youth out there, no shut about them, I run up and down and rob people and a fire gun. I know enough of them can cook, you know. Yeah, enough of them can cook. So I beg them and I tell them, put on the gun. Get a phone. You don't have to get no phone neither. Get a money, found a family, loved one, or go work on a site, plant 2 callaloo and sell it, and get no own money, honest money. Buy up some food, knock up a little stall on the roadside and sell some food. And believe me, I tell you no, it never wrong me youth. You don't have to think about no gun. Any gun you got to think about are when you make your money and a license gun you get. You understand? So, big up for a smoker and sunrise boss. I them make me there so I do this right now. You understand? When I mean them make me there, I feel them channel me see. I know say yo, you know me can get up and do something to cause you don't know anything go. And put the thing out there, you understand? Yes man, so big up to him, sorry about him, big up to Rasmoko and Sunrise Jamaica TV him channel names. All who know can check it out, because I'm not be selfish. You understand? So you can check him out, him bad me people man all that. I mean say him bad, food them shot, food them slap way. Yeah that me people. And don't forget Rasmoko, you see him? Ah, Jesus Christ man, you know I live long. Eh? That the man in the cook unless you coconut. What me say? If you have to go find for your coconut, you might go there, no? What do you think I joke on all that? Not on there. Yes, so you don't know. I just say things to my people, you understand? So as I say, I cook for me at 12. I know me at 28 and still going. You understand? I don't know, no see me do one channel with my son. So you know, say my next chef, I hope him go to school and take him the thing and get him degree and them thing there. He can get a nice job. If I that him want, you understand? Me can't choose him. He say he want to be teacher at the age of 5 now, so him say a teacher and want to become so. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, you understand me people, so you don't know. Me there in my kitchen, me shop up my upstairs way around there, so you understand? I'm bridging outside, so you don't know a thing now. So at the kitchen this me there, so at the outside that out there kind of dark. Yeah. So when you see the light a spin, yeah, I'm shop door there so we don't have a sexy girl upon it. You understand? I'm a jaw one camper, you know, see it. So when you see say shop there. You understand? So yes me people. So when you don't know me there, I go and freestyle and I ease myself and big up to my friend who give me the idea. The idea? Yeah. Yeah, my respect for that. And that is a good move. A good look. I swear to you, so. One love. Peace. Blessing. I'm checking out.